This $89 device just saved a rider's life in California. This one makes you 400% louder than your factory horn. And this piece of tech, it'll make you feel like Iron Man on 2 wheels. Today, we're counting down 12 motorcycle gadgets on Amazon that are so advanced, most riders have no idea they exist. And number 1, pure science fiction. Let's ride. Gadget number 12, Denali Sound Bomb Split Air Horn. Starting at number 12, and trust me, this countdown only gets crazier, the Denali Sound Bomb Air Horn. Here's a terrifying stat. Over 40% of motorcycle accidents happen because drivers simply don't see riders. Your stock horn, pathetic 80 decibels. A car horn, maybe 105 decibels. This beast, a skull-rattling 120 decibels. That's 4 times the acoustic power of your factory horn. Loud enough to make cars 2 blocks away turn their heads. Thousands of rider testimonials credit this horn with dodging disasters. One guy said, quote, "Made a taxi driver spill his coffee when he tried to merge into me. Worth every penny." Another said it literally saved him from a left turn collision. The driver heard him before seeing him. Installation? 30 minutes. Your life? Priceless. Around $90 on Amazon. And before you say that's expensive, just wait until you see what's coming. Gadget number 11, Brake-Free Smart Brake Light. Number 11 is something that should honestly be mandatory, the Brake-Free Smart Brake Light. Here's the problem. Your motorcycle brake light only activates when you squeeze the lever, but when you downshift to slow down or engine brake on a long descent, cars behind you have zero warning you're decelerating. Zero. This wireless LED unit mounts to any helmet in seconds. No wiring, no apps. And here's the genius. Built-in accelerometer detects deceleration from braking, downshifting, or engine braking, and automatically flashes red. Riders who've logged over 40,000 miles with this say they get tailgated way less. One review gave me chills. A driver told me at a gas station he could see me from 10 car lengths back. That probably saved my life. 4.9 stars, over 1,400 reviews, waterproof, USB-C fast charging, up to 14 hours in stealth mode, $140. Studies show extra warning time reduces rear-end collisions by up to 90%. This thing pays for itself the first time someone doesn't rear-end you. Gadget number 10, Quad Lock Phone Mount System. Number 10, every rider who's destroyed an iPhone camera from handlebar vibration just felt this one, the Quad Lock Motorcycle Mount System. You might think, it's just a phone mount. Here's why that's wrong. Motorcycle vibrations operate at frequencies that destroy your phone's optical image stabilization. Apple literally warns about this. $1,200 phone camera destroyed in 500 miles. Quad Lock solved it with their anti-vibration dampener. Dual-stage vibration isolation reduces harmful frequencies by up to 90%. Aircraft-grade aluminum. One-handed 90-degree twist lock. Works with frozen fingers or thick gloves. So secure, riders do track days at 150+ miles per hour, with phones rock solid. The system's modular. Same case works on your bike, car, bicycle, everywhere. $50 basic setup, $100 with the vibration dampener, which you need. Compare that to buying a new iPhone camera module for $300. Math checks out. Gadget number 9, Cardo Spirit HD Bluetooth headset. At number 9, the Cardo Spirit HD. If you've never had Bluetooth in your helmet, you're riding in the dark ages. Picture this, 6-hour mountain ride, turn-by-turn GPS without looking down, streaming your playlist. Your buddy 3 bikes ahead warns about a speed trap. Your girlfriend calls, you answer, hands never leave the bars. All crystal clear at 80 miles per hour. The Spirit HD is entry-level from the brand that dominates intercoms. You get 40mm HD speakers with sound quality that'll make you take the long way home just to finish an album. Compare that to $60 knockoffs that sound like AM radio underwater. This is next level. 13-hour battery connects 2 devices simultaneously. Here's the underrated feature: automatic audio profiles. Listening to music, GPS interrupts with directions, music ducks down, directions come through, clear, music returns. Seamless. Intercom range, half a mile to another cardo. Four-way conference between riders, around $120. Pro tip, buy the duo pack with a friend, split the cost, you both save money, and have someone to talk to. By the way, would you rather have Bluetooth audio or heated grips? Drop a comment. I'm curious what riders prioritize. Gadget number 8, Oxford Heaters Premium Heated Grips. Number 8 is for anyone who's cut a ride short because their hands went numb. Oxford Heaters Premium Heated Grips. Now I know, heated grips aren't cutting edge, but the engineering here is actually insane. These draw 3.6 amps average, basically nothing to your alternator. You can run them with all your other accessories, no problem. Direct wire to battery with SAE connector, same as your battery tender. So if you got that setup, it's literally plug and play. 5 heat settings from gentle warmth to riding through a blizzard with fireplace hands. In standby mode, 0.071 milliamps draw. So low you could leave them on for months without draining your battery. Here's what riders love. These extend your riding season by months. Snow on the ground, 20-degree morning commute, doesn't matter. Warm hands, precise control, not that guy at the office trying to type with frozen claws. $100 to $130 depending on your bike. Installation takes under an hour in your garage. You're replacing stock grips. One review, rode in 15-degree weather, hands were toasty. Game changer. Gadget number 7, GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. At number 7, the tool that's turned thousands of riders into content creators, the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. 5.3K video, 27 megapixel photos, high dynamic range for when you ride from bright sun into a tunnel and everything else looks like trash. This camera doesn't. Here's what makes the Mini special. It's absurdly small. Mount this on your helmet and forget it exists. Compare that to full-size action cams that look like a brick on your head. Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization means you can ride the worst road in America, looking at you, Michigan. And footage looks like Hollywood gimbals. The stability is unreal. Waterproof to 33 feet without a case. Voice control. Start recording without removing hands from bars. Here's the feature that saved riders in insurance disputes. If you crash, this footage has been used as evidence in court to prove fault. One rider's GoPro footage got him complete insurance payout when a car pulled out in front of him. Camera paid for itself 30 times over in that one moment. Around $300. If you're serious about riding, capturing memories, or protecting yourself legally, non-negotiable. And wait till you see the top 5. Number 1 especially is straight out of the future. Gadget number 6, Monomoto 9 GPS tracker. Number 6 is insurance against every rider's nightmare, the Monomoto 9 GPS tracker. Fact that'll keep you up at night. A motorcycle is stolen in the United States every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. And only 42% are recovered. Your $15,000 bike? Gone forever. Unless you have this. Monomoto 9 is a compact GPS tracker that hides anywhere. Battery lasts 2 years. No wiring? Just hide it. If someone moves your bike 30 feet, your phone screams. Real-time GPS shows exactly where it is. Police love this. Recovery rate with Monomoto? Exceptionally high. Riders report getting bikes back in hours because they gave police live locations. Multiple stories of bikes recovered before thieves even left the neighborhood. One reviewer, guy tried stealing my bike from a parking lot, got the alert before he reached the corner, called cops, gave live updates, bike recovered, thief arrested, $100 tracker saved my $12,000 bike. 24/7 monitoring, motion alerts, geo-fence zones, around $100 plus $5 monthly cellular service, cheaper than one insurance payment. And if your bike gets stolen without it, you'll regret this forever. Gadget number 5, Klim Airbag Vest. Top 5 now. Number 5 is expensive, but probably the most important item on this list. The Klim Airbag Vest. This is the motorcycle industry's first fully untethered airbag system. Older vests had a tether to your bike. You come off, tether pulls, bag deploys. Problem? If you don't fully separate, it doesn't deploy. KLIM uses in and motion sensor tech. 6 sensors, 1,000 measurements per second. AI analyzing your motion in real time. Knows the difference between aggressive cornering and you're about to eat pavement. Detects crash, deploys in 60 milliseconds. Faster than you can blink, protecting chest, back, shoulders, neck. Here's the thing. Your gear can be the difference between walking away bruised and never walking again. Airbag vests can reduce impact forces by up to 90%. That's the difference between cracked ribs and a punctured lung. Fits under most riding jackets and ADV gear. Works all weather. Vest is $400 plus in-motion subscription, $12 monthly or $120 yearly. Expensive? Yes. Cheaper than medical bills? Absolutely. Cheaper than not riding again because you're too injured? You tell me. Multiple riders have written, "This vest saved my life." Not probably saved or might have. Saved, period. Gadgets number 4, number 3, number 2. Rapid fire. Top 3 coming fast dash dash. Number 4. Betool Tire Repair Kit. $25, fits in your backpack, saves you from being stranded 60 miles from nowhere when you pick up a nail. Contains everything to plug a tire roadside. One guy's used it 4 times in 2 years. Paid for itself the first time. Number 3. Xiaomi Portable Air Compressor. Compact, rechargeable, inflates to 150 psi. Check tire pressure before every ride like you're supposed to. This makes it convenient. $40. LCD display shows exact pressure. Works on car tires, bike tires, sports balls. Pays for itself in avoided gas station frustration. Number 2. Signal Dynamics Back-Off XP Brake. Light modulator. Turns your brake light into attention-grabbing strobe. 2 flash modes. Plug and play. Dot studies show up to 90% fewer rear ends with that extra warning second. Around $40. If you ride in traffic, no brainer. And now, the gadget that feels like pure science fiction. Gadget number 1, Smart HUD and AR integration systems. The gadget that makes you feel like you're living in 2035. Smart HUD and augmented reality integration systems. Imagine, you're riding. Your speed floats in your peripheral vision. GPS turn arrows appear right on the road where you need to turn. Not on a screen you glance at, but AR overlaid on your actual view. Incoming call? Accept or decline with a head gesture. Companies like BMW with their connected ride smart glasses are pioneering this. The systems project transparent displays in your line of sight, turn-by-turn navigation, speed, gear indicator, incoming calls, camera controls. But here's the insane part. Some systems now include collision detection. Sensors detect vehicles in blind spots and display warnings. Car approaching from behind too fast? Warning. Pedestrian stepping into crosswalk? Warning. This is early stage tech, not flawless yet, but evolving fast. This is the future of motorcycle safety. Right now, entry systems start around $400. Premium BMW systems run $800 plus. Not affordable for everyone? True. But neither were GPS systems 15 years ago. Neither were Bluetooth headsets 10 years ago. Early adopters are already saying it makes them feel like Iron Man on 2 wheels. And honestly, they're not wrong. This is where motorcycling is heading. You're either on the cutting edge or watching from behind. So there you have it, 12 motorcycle gadgets ranging from life-saving to life-changing. From a $25 tire kit to an $800 augmented reality system. Something for every rider, every budget. Now here's my question. Which gadget are you buying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you've used any of these, tell us your experience. Riders helping riders. That's how we all get better. If this opened your eyes to something new, hit that like button. Tells YouTube to show this to more riders who need to see it. Subscribe for more gear reviews and riding tech.
Remember, the best gadget is the one that gets you home safe. Ride smart out there.